What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video is going to be a review of my 2021 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. Brand new. I just got it last week. We're going to go over the features, the outside features, a little bit of what changed over the years, and then probably like a little test drive at the end. If this is your first time watching, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this vehicle, I will try my best to answer. Knowledge is limited because I just got the car, but we're gonna learn together. So let's get started with this review. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, this is a 2021 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. So it is, I did get it in black, like a black on black package. So you got the black Performance Pack 1 wheels. Take a look around it. I have the silver accent, so the silver GT. Yeah, so this is my first time even dealing with or owning a Ford in general. So yeah, you have the LED headlights. Of course, you got the front splitter. Mesh style grille. Once again, the silver accents. Let's take a look at the vents for the hood. Now, this package does come with 9-inch or 9-inch wide wheels in the front and 9.5 in the back. They're both 19, so the front is 255 40 19, and the back is 275 40 19. I don't know the brand of the tire. Oh, they're P0, so P0s all around. These are the Performance Pack 1 wheels. Got the Mustang on the center caps. Let's take a look at the diffuser. So I don't think much has changed throughout the years for these. There is the reverse light at the bottom. It's a nice aggressive diffuser at the bottom. I think these are 3-inch tips, correct me if I'm wrong. Got the rear lights. They are sequential. This is the Performance Pack 1 spoiler. It's really aggressive. It gives the car an aggressive look. I want to go with black on black because I think that's the hardest color combination in my opinion. Yeah, so also for this model, it does have blind spot detection on both sides. This is like touch to unlock, so to unlock it, you just put your hand in and it'll open up, and then to lock it, you just put your finger down. It's like a little touchpad. It's not a button. Let you guys take one more good look at the car from the outside. All right, guys, let's head inside and see what we got inside. So as you go in, the windows do go down like a centimeter or two. When you're opening, exiting, all that good stuff. So there is a cubby hole right here, here. Of course, you got your window switches, the mirror, power mirror, lock, unlock. So I do have the Recaro package, so I do not have the memory seats. There are 3 levers actually. So one is for like up, down. This one is under here is to move forward and backwards, and this one is for the backrest. It's not that much room back here, as you can see. So if you have like a little child or something like that, you probably fit them back there. But grown adults, it'll be a difficult squeeze unless the driver or passenger is really short and they can move their car seat all the way up. Then you may be able to fit somebody back here. But other than that, it's kind of a no-go. It's more like storage space. Visibility is good through the back, sides, front. I don't really have any issues with visibility in this car compared to like a Camaro or something like that. Of course, you have your mirrors. Mirrors up here. It is adjustable. It does slide back if you need be. Put that like it was. So this is the digital dash. So everything I got with this car, pretty much 401A. So I have all of this. These are the light controls. But yeah, so I do have the digital dash and the 10-speed. This is what the cluster looks like in the middle. So you have your hazards, traction control, steering, and then transmission modes. Pretty good storage space. This one's kind of small compared to my the Hellcat that I had, but you can still fit a good amount of things in here for sure. Interior quality, me personally, I don't really care. I know it's American made car, so I'm not looking for the most luxurious quality, but in my opinion, most people say Recaros aren't comfortable. I kind of feel better in Recaros. I feel more stable, especially when turning or doing any back roads or something like that. Of course, you have the silver accents on the door handles. This does have ambient lighting. You can't really see it right now. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle. Push the start button, it's right here. You can hear a nice little growl. This is how the display comes up. You can change this based on what mode you are in. So as I change modes, you will see the digital dash changes along with the modes. So this is Sport. This is Sport Plus, stays the same. And once you go into track, it's more oriented towards RPMs and mile per hour. Also in drag mode, which is the fastest mode for the 10-speed Mustang. Yeah, so of course you have your wet snow, and that puts you back in normal mode, and it does tame the throttle a little bit. All right, let's head over to the main screen. So of course you have your audio, climate, phone, navigation. These are all the apps. I'm not gonna go through everything. So you can search for apps and stuff like that. And of course you got your settings. And then the hard buttons are, you know, just the normal stuff, temperature, radio controls, volume, and tuning selection. You do have a USB, like a heat charger. I just bought this to put it in there, or a lighter, I should say, whatever you use it for, it's there. You have a USB right here. There's also one inside of here. Of course, you have 2 cup holders. I'm not sure if you have cup holders in the back. I doubt it. I don't see any. But yeah. So that's pretty much the inside of the car. Like I said, visibility is good. 6 Mustang right there. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. So this is basically all the controls for the steering wheel. So the horse controls your exhaust and everything. And everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. So you got phone, navigation, settings, music, voice control, up, down for the menu, back, okay. Volume controls, next station, and cruise control. But yeah, so that's pretty much the inside. We're gonna go for a little drive, like a little POV drive, so you can hear how the engine sounds and then different exhaust modes. So I could go into that for you right fast. So like I said, you hit the horse, and then you can select your exhaust modes through the menu. So right now it's normal. I'm on private property right now, so I can't really, I got y'all later in the video, but I'm gonna go through the sounds, how different they are. Sport, track is the most aggressive. And then you can be in quiet mode if you need be. You know, you're waking up at 5 a.m., don't want to wake your neighbors up. You want to be that good neighbor, you feel me? Put it in quiet mode, and you're good to go. All right, so we're gonna go for a little drive here. Enjoy the content. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you like this review of this car. And I'm out of here. Peace.